Welcome to Central Station, everyone. Is that a train? Very good. Welcome to Central Station, everyone. Hopefully the wind isn't too strong, and here it comes. Here's the GRS, just on time. Would you look at that? Perfect. I don't know if my GoPro's recording at all, but... By the way, let me know what you think of this GoPro setup in the comments below. I think it is a decent setup, and it's a good investment for the channel. It's going to switch things up. It's going to make it unique, since you don't really see GoPro stuff on the YouTube scene. So please let me know in the comments below, and make sure to join my Discord. It is in the description. Thank you. So this is the huge station that was built during the Soviet era. I think it was the early 1980s last I remember. Take another look at that. But I am not just here to look at trains. I'm here to look at trains with a fellow YouTuber in the Tbilisi area, and we are about to meet him.
Nani?
Hey.
Good day, sir.
Good day.
Welcome to the pinnacle of architecture. That is Tbilisi.
Today we are at Tbilisi Central with, who is this?
My name is Dr. Emerald. I also run a transport-oriented YouTube channel.
So he makes good content. This is like Messi and Ronaldo meeting here. We're very big rivals.
We're not rivals, are we? Though I did try to make something today. Sadly, you pulled up.
I pulled up. But now I get to make something. See, this is what competition is right here. Destroying...
No, if it was competition, I wouldn't have agreed.
This is GRS 012.
This is the only European thing in this city, basically.
The only European thing. Tell us the wonderful story of these units. This used to have like a bolted on thingamabob to it, but now it seems like an official fender, painted in a different tone, but
it's still cracked.
It smells like pee, and over here we have a shoe and a cigarette thing.
By the way, we want to remind you, this is the center of the city.
This used to be a platform for postage service.
Well, there used to be an entire station.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. You have a Ford Transit. Give me a new Georgia Post vehicle. This looks like a Transit Custom. Not any Transit.
Any Transit Custom is great, because when you look them up, they don't look anything like the ones we got.
I mean, this is a Transit Custom. You can see the front is a Transit Custom front. And someone tagged, someone tagged the employee wagon. Look at that. Look at this. Railway ties, and you can see all the buildup of oil. And there's...
Oil? It certainly is a train.
It sounds, yeah, it's a train.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, look at that. It's a VL. It's going to use one of these bypass tracks. So we can stand here.
Use that one.
Yeah. Hopefully I can get a good shot of this. Those had flammable material stickers on them. And you had some grain hoppers and some oil tankers. Yeah, tankers. You can actually... Go ahead.
Driver signaled and waved at us, which is always a very pleasant thing they do.
Typically you're sad and you think that you're scaring them. And so it's good that they...
Typically you have a feeling they're gonna call the police on you.
That is true.
And then it's a VL and then they honk at you, so...
I honestly don't know because I film all my videos in 60, but I don't even know how many of my viewers watch in 60 FPS, like they turn on 1080p.
I always turn on high quality.
Yeah, but what I'm saying
whenever
is,
I watch
like,
trains.
a majority. It's, yeah, because it looks so nice watching like train spotting videos in 1080p 60, and you're like,
I do it, this thing does it in 4K.
4K 60.
No, 4K 30. It
Yeah.
can't do 60.
Mine can't do 4K 60. Mine only does 1080p 60. I don't even know if the viewers can hear what we're saying. It's windy. And you can actually see where the switch used to be. So there used to be a spur track along here. You can still see
that's going into
the ballast. Going into this is probably 2 or 3 tracks, maybe 3 tracks. But I'd say
I think
2.
It's 2. Yeah.
I'd say it was for 2 tracks, one on this edge, one on that edge. Oh, I think it's not using this track, so, oh, it is.
Using this track.
Yeah, I was about to.
Is it?
Yeah.
We don't need any rubbish in our shop, do we?
Yeah, it uses this track. All right.
Because you're calling into the second platform and it has to do it.
We're filming this, we're spotting this train.
I love the mixing between the concrete and wooden sleepers going on.
That is something also on the metro at Didube.
Yeah, they do.
You have a staggered pattern. I love the...
I mean, come on.
The view is wonderful.
The view is wonderful when you don't...
They need to have a parking lot here. A parking lot with a Walmart.
They need to have a Walmart, I was about to say that.
Yeah, a parking lot with a Walmart would look wonderful here. You could shop at Walmart and watch trains.
You can watch the trains from Walmart.
Oh, that's even a better idea. Eating a Subway meatball marinara sandwich.
You're fat.
Eating a meatball marinara sandwich with a 64-ounce 7-Eleven double gulp with a Slurpee cup, and just
I'm sorry, are you
watch.
describing your breakfast?
Okay, look. Yes, I am.
But we can't film.
Yeah. I don't think that's true.
Like, physically we can.
Physically we can. I don't know. I think this is good for Georgia's tourism. I don't know, like, tourism makes money. I have plans I cannot share because the haters will sabotage me. But I'm going to share it right now. We will not stop. We're just gonna go up. Look at that dog there.
I haven't watched it, so...
This is their signaler. You see he's going to switch the signal right there with the signal box.
This is the police.
You can see he's inspecting the signaling right now before the train leaves to make sure it's okay. Yeah, do you see him? He's currently inspecting the signal. Is it all good? Because oh wait a second, we need to do more inspection.
He's looking at the signals. Okay.
Yeah, you see?
Okay.
He's doing some hard work right now.
He's doing some wiring.
All right, it all seems to be going well.
He's gonna get zapped.
He's not gonna get zapped, and if so, it's on YouTube. Yeah, and so currently, we have our hard railway worker. He's He's inspecting the signals. He's checking out everything. Beautiful sunset tonight. You know, life is good. Life is good. Oh, and there he goes. On to the next signal. You know, it's nice to know that the railway is being taken care of when we have multiple trains pulling in and out daily. And now he is going to let the dispatcher know that it's time to leave. Here's our furry friend on four legs.
He is the security officer.
You see, you can see he's giving us the eyes.
Yeah, he's chasing us off the rail.
He's giving us the look. No filming allowed, says the dog. No filming allowed.
I think you just want to treat.
No, he doesn't. Look, if we give him a treat, he let us film. That's how it works.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
He says, look, you're not allowed to film, but if you give me 30 treats, I'll let you film.
I think it would be fine with
I'll let it slide.
He's trying to follow us.
I don't know if he's... Is that a chema?
That is.
Do you hear it?
Yeah, I didn't hear it. Why did you tell me that? It sounds awful.
It sounds like a beginning to some kind of video game OST. Like a Five Nights at Freddy's. Is this revenge I'm seeking? Seeking
Is this
to
tiles
avenge.
I'm seeking.
Be gone.
Because you startled.
Go away.
You startled the dog.
Yeah, go away. That's right.
How do you manage?
I'm the dog whisperer.
Oh, there's the signal. It's leaving.
Okay. I'm gonna get this set up. Okay, so, oh no, it's okay. Okay, my camera is very lopsided.
I doubt you'll get it on.
Let me put a stone underneath it.
Plane. Oh, there it is. There it is. Did it leave on time? I think it did.
Uh-oh.
Even though we don't get
All right, we're
a
gonna
lot of services.
we're gonna resort to a nice Dutch angle
Dutch angle.
where it's tilted.
Nolan.
Yeah, where it's tilted. Okay. I'm just gonna get a better shot of it over here. Look at this thing. Look at that beauty switching. You can see it bend around the curve, you know.
The horn on that thing.
Let's see.
Extremely loud.
It's nice, it jump scares everyone.
It jump scared me twice.
Yes, that looked good in black and white, you know.
I can try.
Oh,
Oh, another freight train.
we The video has started. Yo, if this recording is muted, if I had the mic turned off on my camera, I'm going to,
Do not go close to
yeah.
You should probably. But your camera.
Oh boy, should I move my phone?
Nah. I'll just stand. Buddy.
That's awesome. Lagi Maros, Didi Maloba. Fantastic, fantastic. Look at all those oil canisters.
Imagine how much money that is.
That's a lot of money. Look at that. Fantastic. Another happy VL driver as well. Another happy VL driver. Look at the axles.
He did what German drivers do. Blink the lights.
He flashed the full brights. BMW driver.
If you grab the video and you get the time of the locomotive passing, only the locomotive, then we can calculate the speed and the length of the entire train.
Correct. You know, if you all like this kind of IRL/vlog content or dislike it, let me know in the comments. I read all the comments, so the feedback is much appreciated. I have more footage, so I'm wondering if I should upload another episode of this or just another video. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and join the Discord server. People just like you, it's a great railway Discord server. In the description below, there will be a link. I'm the Transit Diaries, and as always, stay tuned for more.